Hi guys, you are watching Interesting and Ficus. Today we have the 9th episode of Ficus Land. Well, for those who haven't watched our previous episodes, we'll briefly tell you what it is and what we have got here. In our Ficus Land, there is such a building with structural walls. Here we have a bedroom, a living room and a kitchen below. Also, here we have an access to a secret tunnel. See what an epic secret tunnel we have got. Here we have an exit door. As soon as someone enters our territory, an alarm is immediately triggered. And here we have a pool which we have drained for now, but today we'll fill it again because we want to swim. We'll also put some fishes in our pool. I mean, they're live fishes and we'll swim with them. And for absolute happiness, something is missing here. You know what? The waterfall, which will make it today.
The water will be flowing downwards from here till there. It's about 2 meters. It's gonna be cool.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you subscribe it right now. So we have already thought out the concept of our future waterfall. We'll have a kind of large reservoir here in which water will accumulate, after which it will be poured out here. Our waterfall will be flowing like a curtain, so we can also sit here and look through the water as it flows. Also, there will be such an elevation, Sergei calls it a small waterfall, which will also flow beautifully first into the reservoir and then here. And here we'll have a door.
Yes.
Look what an obstructive design it turned out. This is to ensure that our cement doesn't lay down evenly and thereby supports itself so that it doesn't fall out. And here we'll have a door to admire the waterfall from the inside.
Just like in all our cement buildings, first goes the framework and then the plastic film. After that, we reinforce it with nets and in the end we cement everything.
Yo. We want to make our waterfall such that it looks as natural as possible. We'll have the texture of a rock or cave or maybe something like that.
See, we made such buggles here, it looks cool. We already reinforced it with nets and now we can cement it, right?
Yes, let's get the concrete mixer. Well, it started to rain outside, but fortunately in Ficus Land you can hide from it.
As always, we smear it with a wet brush in order to make the construction smoother and more beautiful.
And in the meantime, I made a beautiful round door, unlike Sergei, who is just smearing the walls with his brush. And here we are planning to have an access to our spyglass house, which we'll build in the next video if we get a lot of likes.
So it turns out that it will be in contact with our waterfall house. It will be awesome. So today I'm an electrician again. From all this I will be making the lightings for our Ficus Land inscription. It's gonna be cool. We are already collecting the water. In the meantime, I made these things. These are the lights that will illuminate our Ficus Land. I spent 3 hours on it, to be honest, but it looks cool. Let's hope that everything turns out great. This is the last stage of connection. You can see that's how I connected the lights. Now we'll wait for the evening. What are you doing?
This is for transporting the fishes. We'll go to buy fishes for our pool and we'll transport them using this thing. I'm wrapping it up with a film so that the water doesn't splash out and the fishes doesn't jump out into the car. Well, our artificial waterfall is ready. It remains only to check it. But besides this, Sergey made the lightings of the ladder of Ficus land and the lighting of the waterfall itself. Well, let's turn on the water.
Yes, it's filling up. Is it cold?
It's cool. The waterfall turned out awesome. I can't wait until it gets dark and everything will shimmer with different colors due to the backlights. And now it's time to go for the fishes.
Let's go.
After they swim in our pool, we'll release them into the nearby lake. Yes, we are fish savers. I'm just curious to know whether the fish will be afraid of the waterfall.
You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
Look at them. They're swimming right between the feet. They are neither afraid of waterfall nor us. Whoa, they are swimming under my feet. This is so weird. I understand that they do not bite, but still somehow it feels scary.
Well, this is carp. It seems to be predatory.
Are you kidding?
Maybe not.
I'm not a fishman, so I don't know. Are you a fool?
Damn, it was unexpected.
Well, it's already darkened and I want to turn on the lights of our ladder's Ficus land. I'm really excited to see how it looks.
Wow! Cool job! It looks so awesome!
See there!
Wow!
Damn, it's amazing!
Yeah, it's really cool!
I made different illumination in red, blue and green, you can see that. Well, I guess the light is enough.
Yes, well, it looks gorgeous, especially in the frame. Simply fantastic.
Well, let's turn on the waterfall light now.
Living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
In my opinion, it turned out super cool.
And we want to continue to build more and more things in our Ficus land.
But it all depends on you, so be sure to hit the likes and then we will do it in very next video.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to not miss the new videos.
It was interesting.
And Ficus with you. See you on next Sunday.
Bye.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say these are trouble.
Blah, blah.